What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing some hood pins using Quik-Latches. So here I have a product from Quik-Latch. These are their black, low profile locking hood pins. If you're not familiar with Quik-Latch, this company pretty much simplified the way you use hood pins. Instead of having a pin or anything like that, or pushing this and lifting up the hood, you just literally push it and that's it. I'm super happy to try these out. They send it in for us to try these out and also have smaller versions. They have these available in many different sizes, many different colors, red, blue, black. You can have this mounted anywhere on your car, your door, your windows, trunk, house cabinets, whatever you want to use. These things can be put on anything. We have a set of the locking ones. They have non-locking, meaning you could just push and pop the hood. I wanted the locking ones just for safety. I do have quick release hood hinges on my hood. I can pop my hood out without even any tools, so I don't want anybody just popping my hood and taking the hood. So I can lock it, feel safe, and it still looks very clean, flush. Here I have the car. I'm gonna install it in my right-hand drive Integra. We have everything shaved on the engine bay. So we're gonna drill new holes, show you guys how to do that in a nice detailed video. We're gonna get straight to the point. And we do have a carbon fiber hood that we'll be putting it on. It's brand new. We're gonna show you guys what tools we're using to install it. We have Adam here, he's gonna help with the install.
Our location is gonna be here. Drill a hole, drop the pin down, set it to height, and then we're gonna be taking this side, cut a slightly larger hole, cut another hole in the top of the hood, slide it in, and then as simple as it can get.
Traditionally, a hood pin, you will have to have it at the perfect angle, at the perfect cut. You have to align it perfect. But with these, you can have these at any angle. So let's say your hood sits at an angle like this, or straight flush.
It'll still click in. It gives you that much angle.
So it makes mounting very, very easy, very simple. No need to adjust. Once you have it all set, you're good to go. The parts list that you have, tools that you will be needing, and then pretty much a checklist of things that you will have to do to get everything installed. So here we have 2 hood pins, 4 stainless steel nuts, 4 stainless steel washers. That is to secure this onto the chassis. Then we have 2 latching bodies and then a green thread locker. They give you the recommended size for the hole saw, wrench, drill bit, hole punch, hammer, masking tape. We have everything here, ready to go. You pretty much have a lot of flexibility where you want to put them. You really have no limit on where you want it. So we're either thinking on putting them on here, near the headlight, or in the middle. But in the middle, it'll just be 2 in the middle close together. But we're going more for the outer side, near the headlight. We have enough space right here to do it. Either we have them here, or out. I think it'd be safer to have it out.
It looks a lot better when you have them kind of spread further apart than when they're close together.
Yeah.